Okay, the question name is count nodes equal to the average of subtree. So the question states is given the root of a binary tree, return the number of nodes where the value of the node is equal to the average of the value in its subtree. Note, the average of n elements is the sum of the n elements divided by n and rounded down to the nearest integer. A subtree of a tree is the subtree of root is a tree consisting of root and all its descendants. I'll explain you what the question states. So this is basically the example they have given. Okay, so I've taken the exact example here. So this is the same example. So here what the question states is that this is the root. Okay, so this value of the root should be equal to all the value of the nodes in its left subtree plus all the value of the nodes to its right subtree plus the nodes value and the average of all. So what I mean is that 4 should be equals to 8 plus 0 plus 1, 8 plus 0 plus 1, so 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6, so 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4. And what is the number of nodes? Total number of nodes 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. So average will be this value divided by 6, so it will come up 24. 24 divided by 6, so it is 4. So what will happen in this case? 8. So the value of 8 should be equals to 0 plus 1 plus 8 divided by the number of nodes. What the number of nodes in this case? There is 8 plus 0 plus 1, that is 3. So 0 plus 1 plus 8, so it will be 9. 9 divided by 3 will be 3. It will not be equal to 8, so it will not contribute to my answer. This will contribute to my answer. So at this moment my answer is 1. And after that if you take this 0, so 0 is itself contribute to my answer, because 0 is a single node and a single node will always contribute to my answer. Why? Because if we take the sum, left subtree sum is 0, right subtree sum is 0, because there is no left and right subtree. So this is the only value, that is 0 divided by number of nodes. Number of nodes is 1, so 0 divided by 1 equals to 0, so it is equals to 0. So here in this case also 1 is the this sum is 1, so 1 divided by number of nodes. Number of nodes is 1. 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1. And in this case also 6. 6 divided 1 will be equals to 6. Okay, let's talk about this case, that is 5. So 5 should be equals to 5 plus 6 divided by the number of nodes. What number of nodes in this tree? That is 5 plus 6 divided by 2. So uh, sum is 5 plus 6 divided by 2 equals to 11. 11 divided by 2 equals to 5. So here it's given that the average of the n elements is the sum of the element divided by n and rounded down to the nearest integer. So 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. So, but we need to round out the nearest integer, so 11 divided by 2 equals to 5. So 5 equals to 5. Okay, so how can you solve this question? See, if we do a post order traversal, see, we're doing a post order traversal. What we does in a post order traversal, first we visit the left subtree, then again the left subtree, then again the left subtree, and it will return again, then right subtree, so it's null, so it will return also. Then we'll do some operation, and what we need to return here, see, we need to return the sum. So here in this case the sum of the node is 0 and the number of nodes is 1. So in this case we need to return two things. So what will be the two things? So this one is the sum of the nodes and the number of nodes. Okay, so we can return this by using a pair. Okay, so the first will hold, the first value will hold the sum of the node and the second value will hold the number of nodes. In this case the number of nodes is 1, but what we need to return here, so here the sum will be all of this and the number of nodes will be 3. Okay, so after that this will return, and then it will go to the right subtree. So here it will return 1. So again it will also visit left subtree, right subtree, but we will not find anything because it's null, and it will return 1 that is the sum, and 1 that is the number of nodes. So after this right subtree call, what we will do, we will add all these. So we'll access this value, so this is 0, and we'll access this value, so this is 1. 0 plus 1, and then we'll add this, and we'll take the sum of it. So 0 plus 1 plus 8, what will be? It will be 9, and we'll count the number of nodes. So we'll take this value and this value, so it is 1 plus 1 and plus 1 for this. So thus my will be sum will be 9, and number of nodes will be 3, and we'll check if uh, this 9 divided by 3, if it's equals to 8, then we will return, we will increment our answer. So we need to take a answer variable also to track the answer. Here it will individually be contribute to my answer, so I will increment my answer here. So let's say answer plus plus plus, here also answer, we need to increment the answer because it's leaf node, and leaf node will always contribute to my answer. Okay, and we'll check the condition. If the condition becomes true, we'll increment our answer, and if it does not, then we'll not increment it, and we'll just return this function. So this function will return the sum. So the sum is 9, and the number of nodes is 3. Okay, then it will go to the right subtree, again it will go to left subtree, so it's null, so it will return, and then it will go to right subtree. So this function will return 6 is the value, and number of nodes is 1. So now here this function will return, again I need to do the processing. The processing will be 5 plus this 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 divided by number of nodes, so number of nodes here will be 2. So I will increment my answer because 11 divided by 2 equals to 5, so this condition becomes true. So here the condition will be, so I'm writing here, the condition will be 5 equals to 11 divided by 2. This condition becomes true. I'll increment my answer plus plus. Okay, and I will return what? I will return the sum and the number of nodes. The number of nodes, it is 2. Now I'm returning this as a pair, so we need to we can do that. And after reaching here, what is my left value? Left sum of the nodes is 9, so I will take 9, sorry, this is 9. The right value is 11. Okay, so 11 after 4. Okay, and the number of nodes is 3 plus 2. Number of nodes is 3 plus 2. So I need to add the nodes value also, the roots value. So it will come up as 24, and it will be plus 1 for the root. So here I'll be getting 3, I'll be accessing this 3, and I'll be accessing this 2. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5, and plus 1 for this node. Okay, 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. So here my condition will be 24 divided by 6 should be equals to 4. Okay, so here my condition will be true, so I'll increment my answer. My answer will be incremented here, and I will return. Okay, so here in this case my answer will be 6. How? Because here answer will be incremented. This answer is 1, then answer here will be 2, and then answer here will be 3. Here also I will increment my answer, so plus plus. Here also I will increment my answer plus plus. Sorry for the bad handwriting. Okay, and here also my condition will become true, and answer will be incremented. Answer plus plus. So answer in this, for this test case, will be 6. Okay, I'll show you the code. So this is the code for that approach that I just discussed, and I'll just submit this. it's giving us correct answer. Thank you.